Hello guys, my name is Ebot Elvis and I'm the founder of Origin Try, the organization behind KebongOps. Today I'm going to walk you through how to use KebongOps. KebongOps is a digital management tool, a 4-in-1 digital management tool that is designed for retailers and wholesalers and in general businesses. And it has 4 main features like host a Mini-CRM where you can get to manage your clients, you can get to schedule appointments, you can see who your best clients are. And it has an inventory manager where you get to manage your stock, and it also have last but not the least, it has an order management system where you get to receive orders from your clients. So everything here is a fully automated digital tool and works offline. All you need to have is Excel 2021 and you're good to go. So today I'm just going to walk you through how to record a simple transaction using the full system. In subsequent videos I'll be telling you how to explore the other functionalities of KebongOps. So like I said, it is an offline tool, we did created these so that everyone can get a feel of what it is to use digital tools. We understand that most tools nowadays are SaaS, that is software as a service, and run on internet, which are some of the limitations of in Africa. Internet still remains a major problem in Africa due to its instability and its unavailability. Like it's not available everywhere. Secondly, you get to pay a monthly subscription for most SaaS tools, and struggling businesses or some companies don't have that to pay for subscription. Imagine you are paying, for example, $25 and maybe you have 25 or 20 employees who all depend on this tool. Paying licenses of each of these is usually very costly. So if you have a tool like KebongOps for your operations, you have to pay a one-time payment and you are good to go. So I will just walk you through how to use KebongOps to record a simple transaction, and if you're interested in this tool, you can always send me a message or leave a comment, and rest assured that I will reply you. And the tool is fully customizable, meaning you can rebrand it with your colors and all that. So stay with me to the end. And alright guys, so when you launch the product for the first time, you're going to get this screen and it's going to tell you the trial version has 30 days, so you're going to see how many days you have left and just click OK. So here the username is administrator, just put in administrator. The password is administrator too by default. Then you click login. All this can be modified in the system. So you get a welcome screen which tells you about KebongOps, all the features. You can just spare yourself some time and read through. So this is the first screen you get when you after the welcome screen, and here you have the different features. You can see set up product if you want to set up product, set up receipt, staff, audit, and all that, point of sale, dashboard, Mini-CRM, and other system inventory. And what we are interested in today is point of sale. So here I want to show you how to record a simple transaction. Now let's say a customer comes in and probably their name is let's say something like Hillary. So Hillary wants to buy like I said, we already have some pre-installed products here, but it can be modified according to our own. So this person, for example, this in electronics, so we just come to product name. What does Larry wants to buy? Let's say a keyboard. What keyboard? Once you click, you see the product ID automatically comes alongside the unit price. He wants 3 keyboards, so put 3, and you find out that once you put that number, it automatically multiplies that by the unit plans. Here we want also a printer. He wants 2 printers, so we put 2 printers. So here he wants let's say a desktop. He wants to buy locally a desktop, and he needs 2 desktops, so we put that there and multiply that. So this is where he actually put the amount he paid. You see that his total amount is 495,000. So total amount paid, that the amount he handed to you in cash. He could probably, let's say he gave you 500,000. So we work for that. You see that how payment method is. How did he pay? Is it by mobile money or wage? So let's say he paid cash, with that. And status is that he has paid. If you give him change, which you have to, like you see, refund, you have to refund him 5,000. So if you refund him 5,000, you take pay. If you have to refund him later, maybe you put overpaid or something, so you just put paid. You have to refund him. It does the subtraction automatically from the amount paid. So what I said, you choose to put his phone number. Let's say put his phone number. I'm just gonna type a random phone number. You can decide to take his location. If he lives, let's say Limbe, you can decide his email or company. Need I say also that you can set up your discount and taxes here. When you set that up, all those automatically gets calculated. So when all that's done, you just click pay now, and you see that sale is recorded. And if you have a printer, you see it tells you that transaction completed and receipt generated. So if you have a printer attached, the receipt, the printer will automatically print out the receipt. So you can actually see the receipt here. You see this is a sample of the receipt to show that it has recorded the sale. So you can click here to go back to the main menu to come back here. So that's just the short video I wanted to show you for today. And keep in mind that the transaction ID is automatically generated immediately each time a client, you click pay now and it records a sale. A new transaction ID gets created and stays on standby. Here you can set up cashier's name. There is this way I'll show you how to set up cashier name. You can put that will automatically choose a cashier name. And if there's a manager, the manager will for that day, you can hopefully choose a manager name. So that is that for the basic, and I'm going to be sharing with you other features in subsequent video. So thank you, and if you need this system, please just leave it in the comments or send me via email, and we'll see how to get you one. Thank you.